We're going to take a listen to Kevin O'Leary. He's an entrepreneur, businessman, and television personality. We all know him from the TV show Shark Tank. He is one of the sharks, aka Mr. Wonderful. He's going to talk about the employee retention tax credit. So let's take a listen.
Hi, Kevin O'Leary here. Are you a small business owner? If you are like my CEOs, you're really busy, and I totally get it. But I want you to stop for a moment and hear what I have to say. Have you ever heard of the Employee Retention Credit Program? I bet you haven't. But if you are a business owner with between 5 and 500 employees, you need to hear this.
5 to 500 employees, that's somewhat of a standard for a lot of the firms handling ERC. But don't worry, if you're a small business owner with less than 5 employees, you can also qualify for ERC. Let me be specific. These employees must be W-2.
In 2020 and 2021, the government set aside billions of dollars to help small businesses stay afloat in the middle of the COVID pandemic.
This was called the $2.1 trillion CARES Act, and it came out of March 2020.
This initiative was overshadowed by the PPP program. Remember that one? It was administered by the banks at the time. And initially, if you took PPP, you no longer qualified for the employment retention credit.
At the time when this program came out, there was a lot of push for PPP. The reason being banks were being paid to handle and process these PPP loans. And also, Kevin is right, the Consolidations Appropriations Act amended this rule so you now can apply for both PPP and ERC.
Then the law changed and both became available. PPP is long gone, but the Employee Retention Program is still available even if you receive PPP. I just signed on to become a paid ambassador to talk about this program all across the country. My mission? To find every business in America that is eligible for the ERC program and to get them to apply for it before it expires.
That is true. This has an expiration date. The ERC program will expire in April of 2024 and April of 2025. The reason there's two dates is because when you apply for ERC, you're applying for the years of 2020 and 2021. So for the year of 2020, that will expire in April of 2024. For the year of 2021, that will expire in April of 2025.
The ERC program is 170 pages long. Yeah, nighttime reading. I'm not going to pull any punches. This is complex and really time-consuming.
That is true as well. The ERC program is complicated and complex, and no CPA wants to take a look at 170 pages of tax code and try and figure out how to file for ERC. That's why it's best to have a specialist take care of this for you. The reason being, 1, they're going to make sure calculations are accurate, 2, filings are compliant, and 3, give you good audit protection in case of an audit. So like Kevin, I'm trying to get the word out to small and medium businesses to take advantage of this program. And the IRS states, these are not my words, the IRS states 75 to 80% of small and medium businesses will qualify for ERC. So if you're looking to take care of your ERC, please DM me, email me, or contact me.